48 minutes ago, Satoshi app actually made a pin post on their Twitter handle concerning the current airdrop right now. So as you can see, they say this current airdrop, token airdrop by Colend X is now live on Satoshi app. Don't miss out your chance to grab your share of 500k coins ending on June 30th. That is the 30th of next month. And you guys know Satoshi app as one of the big app for airdrop hunting. So without wasting your time, what you have to do is to go over to your Satoshi app account and then go over to this particular place that says project. Go over to project and then you see this particular thing. Then click on participate in airdrop, and as you can see, it's showing that you are successfully participated in airdrop, and we are going to wait for the next round of airdrop to come to play. So Satoshi app is where we mine free airdrops, free legit airdrops. We have mined core, we are done mining OES, we are done mining OG, and OES is about to list very soon, within some time in next month, which is June. So I am actually making this video. It's very simple to activate it, but I'm actually making this video today to actually inform those of you guys that are actually in my team. If you go over to team section, you will see it. Majority of everybody is not mining this particular project. Don't wait for anybody to tell you to start mining. Go ahead and start mining it. And if you have not started it, follow the link in the description of this video to start mining this particular one. Now you guys know that the coin is very small, and if you start on time, you're going to earn at least something good before the ending of it. So try your best to activate your mining, and don't forget to always come back at least 1 hour to claim. So as you can see, I just earned something right now. So what I have to do is after the countdown, it's going to show claim button here, and I'm going to click on claim. So this is it. It's very simple. The whole project is very simple. All you need to do is to be active at least every 1 hour, or at least 2-3 times in a day. Come to your account and receive your coin. If you have not started it, go ahead and start your mining right now. So this is it. I hope you guys got value from the video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more updates like this, and try your best to drop a like and share this video to any of your team so that they will know how to activate their mining, and it's very simple. So this is it. See you guys on my next video. Bye.